Audiobook, Hacker, Chapter 18, Shilei Invaded? After clearing up Chen Ming, Shilei was lying on the bed in a happy mood and fell into a dream. On October 1st, the National Day of Xiago. In 2006, the National Day holiday was still 7 days. Ling Yumo has returned home, and Mu Xiuang returned to Shengjing City by plane last night. The bitterer than the little plum also returned to Qing'an and listened to what he meant. He was also going to work out some things at the place where his old man worked. This child has been completely saved. Shilei is an orphan. He has no relatives. As for his inexplicable uncle, he does not like Shilei, and Shilei does not like him. The two haven't seen each other for more than 3 years. Staying alone in the dormitory, Shilei considered some questions. For example, who are his parents? Also, how big is the organization he joined in the previous life? The organization ruthlessly abandoned Shilei and killed Shilei. How could Shilei let them go? It's just that the organization is too strong, and Shilei will not touch or track them down for the time being. In the previous life, as the world's top-level hacker, Shilei was in the network, calling the wind and rain, dominating the party. But in the real world, he is an outright little man. No power at all. After his rebirth, although Shilei was giggling and he was not in the right shape, Shilei secretly made up his mind, not only to make a difference in the network. In reality, the same must be done. Turning on the computer, Shilei took the Shuangqing University server as a springboard and landed on the website of the Hacker Alliance. The Hacker League is a second-generation hacker organization that created a website of the same name. The second generation of hackers rose from 1998 to 2000. As the backbone of the current hacking industry, the second generation of hackers has strong technology and high quality, which has supported the hacking circle. Many of the first-generation hackers have transformed, engaged in network security, network technology, and even started their own network security companies. Compared with the second-generation hack, the first-generation hack is even more powerful. They are Xiago, the first group of people who came into contact with computers and the Internet, and possess a high level of cultural quality and computer skills. The second generation of hackers basically found out along the path of the first generation of hackers. As for hackers after 2000 years, they are collectively called third-generation hackers. In the third generation of hackers, there is no shortage of talents. But more third-generation hackers just copied the methods summarized by previous generations and attack tools developed by others. Compared with the first generation of hackers and the second generation of hackers, the overall strength of the third generation of hackers is too far apart. The Hacker Alliance is a well-known black knife among the second generation of hackers. Among the second-generation hacker organizations, hacker alliances are among the best. Shilei was once a member of the Hacker Alliance. Although he later left the Hacker Alliance helped him a lot. Shilei registered an ID called Lucifer and browsed through the Hacker Alliance. The Hacker Alliance at this time is not as snobbish as 10 years later. Many things, all for free? After just a few minutes of browsing, Shilei's computer actually started to report to the police. It turned out that the guy who was also browsing the Hacker Alliance logged into the IP information through the web page and caught up with the door. He had found the server of Shuangqing University and was under attack. After the public server of Shuangqing University was adjusted by Shilei, its defense strength has increased numerous times. How could it be easily captured? Shilei traced the intruder, and within a moment, Shilei easily traced the intruder's IP address. Maybe it is because the other party is too focused on hacking into the server of Shuangqing University, or maybe the other party's technology is poor, but Shilei was not found, and he has hunted down the past. In the network, IP addresses are just like home addresses in the real world. If the other party knows the IP address, it's like being blocked by the police, waiting to be caught. After getting the other party's IP address, Shilei didn't rush into the invasion, but started to query the other party's IP address and the corresponding hometown. Shilei smiled. As long as he knew the position of the other party and exposed the other party to the sun, it was equivalent to the death penalty for a hacker. What? Looking at the place where the IP address belongs, Shilei looked surprised. The other party turned out to be Shuangqing University of Science and Technology. The computer department of Shuangqing University has always been wrong with the computer department of the University of Science and Technology. Students from both sides hacked each other, often killing each other's campus servers, and killing them with joy. Even the faculty leaders on both sides acquiesced in this behavior. After all, it helps to increase students' interest in learning. Shilei was waiting to go further and suddenly lost his connection with the other party. In the campus library of Shuangqing University of Science and Technology, an ordinary man forced the computer to be shut down. After confirming that the computer was turned off, the man was relieved. He whispered to himself, "It's amazing, I even chased my IP address silently. Fortunately, the public computer of the library is used, otherwise, it will be dead." Shuangqing University, Number 1 Doctoral Dormitory Building, 501 Middle School. Shilei grunted coldly. "Shut down? Unplug the network cable? You can't escape for a while? The real hacker master will never make such a feint move. Even if the network cable is disconnected and the other party loses the connection, they can still trace it up and find the specific IP address. Therefore, other methods are used, for example, in reality, to locate the IP address's place of ownership and go directly to catch people. Therefore, a hacker master will never shut down and unplug the network cable. Only try to escape, get rid of each other's tracking." Shilei still remembers that in the previous life, another world-class peak hacker invaded the FBI's internal intelligence system alone. Although he invaded it very well, and knew a lot of secret information. However, the FBI's tracking expert chased him halfway around the Earth, and constantly used the combination of the internet and reality to finally catch the world-class peak hacker in the Grandland. FBI tracking experts may not be able to invade or defend, but the tracking is absolutely powerful and abnormal. Combined with the powerful country of the state, people track the experts and notify the police where they go. Once the IP address is determined, the police will come to the door very quickly. At that time, even if you want to run, it will not be easy. Therefore, it is definitely a bad idea to switch off the network cable. Now that the other party's IP address has been determined, Shilei is not polite, and directly starts an attack on the server of the University of Science and Technology. Shilei did not attack violently, but scanned the loopholes, attempting to lurk in silently. Through port scanning, Shilei found that the strength of the University of Science and Technology is actually much stronger than Shuangqing University. This is not the case in previous lives. In previous lives, the University of Science and Technology and Shuangqing University, the strengths of the two sides are almost the same. How could this be? Is it Shilei, the effect of this little butterfly? Although the server of the University of Science and Technology surpasses Shuangqing University, to Shilei, it is still like a piece of paper, which is broken immediately. After Shilei entered the server of the University of Science and Technology, he began to retrieve the authority user group of the server. In the server of the University of Science and Technology, the principal is not super privilege. The entire server has only one super account, which is in the hands of the administrator. At this moment, the administrator is tracking Shilei. Shilei looked at the computer's screen in disdain, tapping the code with both hands. "Give me down." More than 10 seconds later, Shilei kicked each other's super user out of the server permission group and began to establish his own super user. After locking the user group of the server, Shilei began to check the IP address allocation of the University of Science and Technology. Little dregs, small dregs, Brother Stone will catch you? The campus uses a local area network, and each IP address has a corresponding actual address. Like the network of Sheila's dormitory, it is also the campus LAN. If Sheila's IP address is found, you can find the dormitory corresponding to the IP in the server of Shuangqing University, and then you can check Sheila's identity through the dormitory allocation record. Sheila is preparing to use this method to find the guy who has just invaded him at Shuangqing University of Science and Technology. Although that guy only traced the server of Shuangqing University through the login IP provided by the Hacker Alliance website, even the server firewall was not broken. But is Sheila the kind of person who comes to the door and has no temper? Sheila found the intruder IP and the corresponding real address on the server of the University of Science and Technology, but found that it was the school library and the public computer. This way, the clue is broken. After all, it was just a normal invasion, and Sheila could not investigate further without an intrusion. If you have invaded the state organs and people have found this step, then it is time to come and find someone. And they will investigate all the people who entered the library during this period, and then ask one by one and testify to each other, who used that computer during this time. If that is the case, I'm afraid it's easy to find out who invaded Sheila's computer. However, Sheila is an ordinary person and cannot conduct such an investigation at all. Hey, depressed. Although it is a bad idea to turn off the network cable, it is still very effective. I have to admit that in normal circumstances, it is a way to deal with tracking and unplug the network cable. Although I can't find who you are, you can be a University of Science and Technology. In previous lives, the University of Science and Technology also had a master, Sheila, and that master, often fighting. The computer departments of the two sides, often driven by the two, are often very active. Most seriously, because Sheila was not in the school, a kid from the University of Science and Technology actually mounted the Wasango Love action art film on the school's forum in Shuangqing University. After causing Sheila to return, he led the people to kill them, cleaned up everything from the University of Science and Technology server, and deliberately repeatedly formatted the other server at a low level. Ultimately overturned the University of Science and Technology server. This time, Sheila posted a provocative post in the forum of the University of Science and Technology. The content was eloquently written, that Shame Boy did not have the ability to learn any invasion, even turned off the network cable? Shame? What a waste. Your computer science department at the University of Science and Technology is all waste. At the end of the post, Sheila left the name of Lucifer. Believe that the person who invaded him should understand. At that time, if the universities of both sides are going to have another black competition, then I don't know. Anyway, Sheila is not afraid.